Hi, welcome to part 3 of trigonometric functions. We have 4 diagrams here which helps us to determine the numerical values of the above ratios. So these are the ratios: sine theta, cosine theta and tan theta. POQ in each triangle here in red is always acute, regardless of theta. So theta is the angle made by OP. As you can see here, it's measured from the x-axis, the positive x-axis, and ends where OP begins. So here we don't have any measurement of it other than it's equivalent to alpha. Here it measures again from the positive x-axis to OP, and again here all the way through from the first quadrant to the fourth quadrant. So here we're in the first quadrant, here the second quadrant it rotates to, here the third, and here the fourth. Now POQ, as I mentioned, is always acute and independent or regardless of theta. Theta is this angle made from the x-axis to where OP is. The value of alpha, or alpha in fact, is called the associated acute angle. So it's associated with a particular value of theta. So we call that the associated acute angle alpha. And the value of alpha for a specified value of theta is the difference between theta and pi, or 2 pi. Pi or 2 pi. And where necessary for larger angles, multiples of 2 pi. And that's all for this part of the video. So this is part 3. So let's recap what we've done. In part 1 we talked about the trigonometric ratios defined in the right angle triangle, where we only have theta, and the aim was to move to a generalized way of defining trigonometric ratios for all sizes of angles. Then we talked about anti-clockwise being positive angles and clockwise angles being negative, measured from the positive x-axis. We also defined the ratios, and we also stated that the Cartesian axis x and y outline 4 quadrants, quadrants 1, 2, 3 and 4, and that is numbered from here going anti-clockwise. We also noted that theta is the angle which OP has rotated. So theta is always the angle by which OP is rotated. Here has been rotated from the positive x-axis to this point, and so on. And then we just actually defined alpha as the acute angle, this associated acute angle associated with theta. And the value of alpha we also mentioned for a specified value of theta is the difference between theta and pi or 2 pi, and for larger angles, multiples of 2 pi. Thanks for watching these videos. I'll be doing some more in the next few days. Thanks, and bye for now.